Some of you may have already noticed, AppGyver has disappeared. At SAP TechEd 2022, it was announced, AppGyver will no longer exist as we knew it. From now on, the no-code app development environment will be continued as built apps and thus become part of the low-code no-code solution SAP built. In addition, build process automation will be added as a further part. This makes it possible to automate workflow processes and tasks with simple drag and drop functions. The third solution in the portfolio is Workzone. With it, websites can be designed quickly and easily in which company applications can be linked. This allows work in all applications to be done quickly in one place. SAP Build is intended to speed up and simplify development and automation in companies. The low-code, no-code aspect still applies. All applications can be used without writing a single line of code. The collaboration feature recently introduced at AppGyver will also be continued and will promote the possibility of collaboration in the future. If you are interested in SAP Build, we have summarized some links below in the video description. What do you think of AppGyver's journey to SAP Build apps? Drop us a line in the comments and let us know. Thanks for watching and see you next time.